Are you new to VideoStar? Then this course is for you. Hello VideoStar users, I'm Nerea and I'll be your teacher in this course of VideoStar School. I know it can be overwhelming the first time you open the app, but I'm here to help you. So, how do you start editing? In the first lesson, there will be a general overview of everything on VideoStar's main screen. VideoStar Insider, the store page, the support button, etc. In the second lesson, you are going to make your first edit. How does it sound? I promise it's easier than it seems. I will give you all the material you need and we'll go over every step along the way. We'll learn how to select a song for your edit, import photos and videos, and the function of the timeline. In the third and last lesson, we're going to have a look at how you can be part of the VideoStar community. You're going to learn how to share your edits to different apps and social media, as well as learning how your edits can be featured in our app and social media. After completing this course, you'll be ready to learn how to make basic transitions in VideoStar in the next course.